Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little website here called ProductTube, okay? And perhaps you are wondering, can you really make money from this website? How does this work? Can you really get paid, a decent amount of money for every single product review that you do? Let's check it out. Let's find out if this is a legit way to make some extra money on the side, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email, and you can check that out if you would like, all right? Now, I reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great. You can make full-time income, more than full-time income sometimes, but a lot of them are very difficult and they pay out very little money, and some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at ProductTube to find out how this stacks up against all the other opportunities out there, okay? So first of all, ProductTube is a 100% legit product review company. So what they do is they actually are a product research company, right? And they are available in 32 countries around the world. Unfortunately, they don't give a list right now until you actually log in. So what I would do is, if I were you, I would just sign up, and find out if they are available in your country. Chances are they probably are at this point in time, okay, which is pretty cool, all right? So what they do is, based on where you live in the world, they work directly with different food companies, okay? And once they've got different partners and food companies, they basically need to do product research on their own products, okay? So they do a little bit of mystery shopping and product research. They want to find out if their products are doing well, if they're labeled properly, if they're on the right shelf in a supermarket, things like that, all right? So what you would basically do is you would sign up, and once you've signed up, the best way is really to download the app onto your phone. All right, it's a much better user interface on your phone, so either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. All right, and then what actually happens is these 4 steps, right? So you sign up, you will start receiving invites to participate, and follow the instructions and record your video. So that's very important, all right? So you must follow instructions very clearly depending on the project and the job that you take on. Okay, so if you don't follow it exactly, unfortunately, you're not going to necessarily get paid for that particular project, right? Now, depending on where you live in the world, and your location will depend on how many invites you get. Okay, so for example, if you're in a country or location or a town or a city or whatever it is that doesn't have that many partners yet, then you're not going to see that many invites. But if you are in a place where it's a little bit more popular, maybe it's an urban area, a big city, a big country, you might get a little bit more invites, okay? So as you can see here, in the earn section, right, you can earn up to, sometimes $45 per project, sometimes $30, sometimes $20. Again, it depends on where you live. But the payouts are pretty good. If there are a lot of projects available. Sometimes there aren't, all right? So we'll talk about that, towards the end, on how much you can potentially make, right? And then what you do is, depending on what the project is, you will upload your video into your phone. It's very, very simple. You would record either the what you're actually seeing. So you don't always have to record yourself. It depends on the project, right? Sometimes you have to record yourself. Sometimes you have to record your own reactions. Sometimes you just record what's actually going on in the store in front of you, okay? Because that's actually what they want to see. They want to see where it's shelved, what it looks like, what the user experience for the actual purchaser is like, okay? And then once you upload it onto your phone, you will receive, and once it's approved, that's got to be approved, right? You'll receive your rewards 5 days after it's actually been approved in the form of Amazon gift cards. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. Very, very simple, all right? So at home, in store, augmented reality, depending on what kind of project that you actually pick up. Okay, so let's check out some of the biggest, most important FAQs. Let me see. Okay, the most important thing is how you receive your rewards. Okay, so unfortunately, I think the big problem with ProductTube is they don't pay cash. Okay, they don't transfer it to PayPal or through a bank transfer. You can only withdraw your money through an Amazon gift card. Now, while an Amazon gift card is sometimes as good as cash, maybe you don't want to use that money for a product on Amazon. Maybe you want to use it to pay off your bills, right? And unfortunately, you can't do that. Okay. The other problem with Amazon is, because Amazon is based in the US, there's very high shipping fees for a lot of countries outside of the US, right? So for example, for me, I'm based in Asia. Sometimes the shipping fee is more expensive than the product I want to buy, okay? So that, therefore, getting Amazon e-gift cards sometimes isn't the best, okay? But it's still a good way for them to actually reward people, all right? So let's wrap this up. So let's talk about the pros and cons here. So first of all, is this a good way to make money? Well, the thing about ProductTube is that because they don't pay cash, you can only buy products directly from Amazon, okay? The other thing is that because they are available in 32 countries, and it really has to do with the country that you're located in and the partners they have at that particular time. Sometimes, if you're in the right place, like I mentioned earlier, you can get access to a lot of deals and projects, okay? But other times, if you're not located in the right place, you might only get one project maybe a month, one project a week, right? So in order for you to earn a lot of money, it's actually quite difficult on this particular platform. Again, it just depends 100% on your luck, all right? So sometimes you might be able to earn, on quite a few things. Also, you have to remember, you have to travel for these particular tasks, okay? So it's not so simple. Sometimes you have to travel a few kilometers, sometimes a few miles, even further, right? In order for you to actually get access to the store where they want you to actually do that particular task and record that particular video. So it takes time. You don't get access to projects all the time, right? So what I would say is you can't rely on this for full-time income, okay? As part-time income, as extra income, bonus income, it's great, okay? And you get it in the form of gift cards, not cash, remember? But if you're looking to retire, if you're looking for it to replace your 9-to-5 job, it's not really going to do that. That's not what it's designed to do. But it is 100% legit, it's free, and it is located in 32 countries around the world. So if you want to check out ProductTube, head over to producttube.com, all right? I think it's a pretty cool way to make a little bit of extra money, but it's not going to be necessarily life-changing, okay? Now, if you are watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for life-changing income, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online, maybe you want to leave your 9-to-5, there are much, much better ways to do that if you want, all right? I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways, invested hundreds of thousands of dollars online, and out of all of these ways, I still think for a beginner to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% from home, there's one particular strategy that I love. If you would like access to that particular strategy, click the link below and I'll send you that for free straight to your email, and you can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of ProductTube, and I will see you on another product review. Take care.